Friends, all of you are welcome at my channel, that is online science class. Today I will discuss about house wiring. Yes, house, that is dream of everybody. Some people are already constructing house. Some dream that after 1 or 2 years they will construct one house, and generally people try to use number one materials, and so that is house should be number one. But sometimes because of some problems of funds and something else, people have to compromise. But one thing, we should not compromise with wiring, the electrical part. That is one of the most important and connected with safety. Safety for the house, safety for the people who are staying there or who will be staying there. I have seen from the very beginning, people see the quality of bricks should be very good, quality of sand or stone chips, cement, that should be class 1, even this floor marbles or tiles, that should be very good one, even sanitary fittings. But my point of graph is people for electrical wiring, they just ask the contractor and hand over the job to him, or call some electrician and ask them, brother, please do this. But one thing, who is doing the job? The electrician. If he has thorough knowledge, no problem. But most of the cases I have seen, they just know how to carry out the work. They have either learned from their father or from their friends, but do not know the actual detail of this electrical wiring, and it is also not much possible to know every detail unless he is much qualified. Then what happens? He completes the job and show you that yes, the light is glowing, puts on the switch, yes, the fan is moving, but afterwards you may face problem. So you should also be aware of the things, not essentially every detail, but you should have some idea so that you interact with the person who is doing. Here I have written some points. See, prior plan, is prior planning, location, wiring distribution, load calculation, protection, quality of material. Today I will discuss about this point number 1, prior planning. And all this I cannot cover in one video. It will take 4 or 5 videos. So I request you, please subscribe my channel so that you can have the next videos, so that you have a complete knowledge. Today, this is prior planning. What is prior planning? You see, when you are constructing your house, it is not the way that you put some bricks, some sand, some stone chips, make the wall, make the beam, column. No. Actually, you plan something before construction. What is that? Yes, this should be my dining, there would be kitchen, there would be toilets, this should be the height of the ceiling, this should be the measurement of the rooms. Okay, these are plannings. Then only after that, after some solid planning, then you go for construction. Similarly, for electrical wiring, it is also most necessary. I will talk about this concealed wiring first, because this has been the modern trends. It looks nice also. You cannot see wires on the surface of the wall or on the ceiling. But especially for this concealed wiring, you should have pakka planning beforehand. Otherwise, once concealing is done, it is very difficult to change something or to get a new point something. Then you have to do again casing wiring over the surface. Then your total decency of this wiring will be gone. So for concealed wiring, you have to think where should be the switchboard, at what height will be the light points, where you will fix the fan, where you will fix the air conditioner, everything. Otherwise, say I am giving you one example. Say you have constructed one room, say it is 12 feet by 12 feet. Okay, 12 by 12, that is 12 feet by 12 feet. Say here is one main entry, here another door is there for going outside, here is one window, like that. So for if you don't say beforehand, when the electrician puts the conduits over the cages before the roof construction, with the cage, generally the conduits are tied and they just push from the top where you will fix the ceiling fan. Okay. If you do not say anything, what they generally do, they will make this point here at the center point. That is, it is 6 feet, and from here also 6 feet. Now what happens? When you are putting one cot, say it is a 6 by 7 cot, you need the fan should be here. If it is 6, it is 7, so 3 feet by 3 feet. Okay. But the fan is here. So you will not get a good amount of air. That's why I am telling, beforehand you have to plan, especially for this concealed wiring. Prior planning is necessary. So today is this, and other points, so many points are there. I will discuss one by one in next videos, and please be in contact, and please subscribe my channel so that you will get all the videos, and whenever you will construct house, I guarantee this knowledge will help you. Okay, then bye.